Hello, welcome to your YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, I hope everyone have a great holiday with their families. I'm sorry that I haven't been making any new videos for Mango Mondays. The reason being is because of dance. I'm finally done dancing for the year, so I will be doing more Mango Mondays video for you guys. So yes, this video is gonna be a haul video and a next year Christmas haul for next year's tree. So let's just get started. Here we go. The first store is Urban Outfitter. I got two these 80s, 90s pants. And they're cinched in the bottom. I got one in this wash color and it was $9.99. And then the other color is in this grayish color, and it's the same style also, and it's also $9.99, and it's from Urban Outfitter. Next door is Charlotte Russe. I only got two necklaces in there because it was, the deal was 2 for $8. The original deal for these are 2 for $10, but I got this for my sister. It's a chunky gold chain. And then this necklace is my necklace, and it is a chunky gold chain also with a line head. So yes. The next store is Cotton On. I like this store, but sometimes they don't have my size. And in there I only got this navy blue drop crotch sweatpants. And it gets skinny, so it's a skinny drop crotch sweatpants. And I like how they have the elastic in the bottom by your ankle. And I got this for $20. Next door is Forever 21. I got this travel size stuff for $1. And it's for traveling because I like to travel and I like to carry my own stuff. Next is a sweater that looks like this, and it is a quilted sweater, and it just had gold designing and stuff on it, and it's really cute. And I got this for $13.99. Next door is H&M, my favorite store to shop in. I got a peacoat jacket for $20 because they were having deals on their jackets, $20 a jacket. The next one is a navy blue velvet or velour blazer, which is $50. And it looks like this, and I can't wait to wear that because I like collecting blazers. The next one is my favorite because I always wanted a poofy black jacket like this, and it's leather. And also got this for $20. The hoodie also unbuckles itself too. So then you can wear it with the hoodie or without the hoodie, and this is how it looks like. I got all these for $20 except for the blazer, which was $50. Okay, moving along with the Christmas haul for next year. I got my decorations for my tree next year, and next year's tree is going to be an all white 7-foot tree. So yes, the first store I went to is Walmart because they were having great deals on their ornaments, which is 50% off all Christmas items. I got these huge clear ornaments. The color scheme for next year is black and white. These mini size glass ornaments. These are all glass ornaments, so yes. And then the medium size. The smaller to medium size ornaments. These are the medium size ornaments. These are all $3.97 a pack. Then I got 10 of these white flowers. Then I got 10 of these black and white flowers. Then I got 6 of these white birds. Then I got 10 of these feather white balls for $1.97 each. 50% off of that. I got 2 packs of these mesh white ribbon. A peacock for my blouse clothes next year. Peacock feathers for my blouse clothes also. And I got these black ornaments also. These have 41 counts and it is shatterproof ornaments. And then from Target, I got these 2 wrapping papers for $2.50 each. These are going to be used for my bookshelves background. Then I got myself a new sewing machine for $89.99 from Target also. And yes, that is all for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mango video. I will be doing more mango. Monday mango. I will be doing more mango. I will be doing more Monday mango. I will be doing more mango Okay, moving along with the Christmas haul.